Hello everyone. So today's video is gonna be so funny. I'm cleaning out my room, and normally you guys see my room as super clean because every time before a video I try to clean it up real fast so that you guys don't see the behind the scenes mess I live in. But today is a different story. Today on Hoarders. Today I'm going to be cleaning up my entire room because it is a wreck. Like, a big wreck. In the video my hair is wet, but I'm filming this intro and outro after, so little secret, you guys didn't know that, but I pretty much do that for most of my videos. You didn't ask for a cleaning video, but I'm giving you one. I really have no clue what to say. This is so embarrassing. I live in like a pigsty. Don't judge me, please. Enjoy. All right, let's get to cleaning. All right, first we are gonna start right. Whoa, why does that look so? All right, so first we're gonna start in this bin right here at the beginning of my room. I cut this pair of pants and I made a ski mask out of the pant leg. It didn't really work out. All right, let's move on to the next station. Next we have my dresser, and this is a train wreck, so let's get started. No? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start a pile of stuff that needs to be taken out of my room and a food pile because I like to leave food in my room so that my bug roommates can have something to eat. That's disgusting. Okay. My yearbook. Alright, so my dresser's pretty clean, but I'm probably gonna reorganize it later while I deep clean it, but let's move on to the next station. So next is this area over here. This is like where I do my makeup and stuff, but it's gotten pretty crowded with crap, so we're gonna clean this up. I've been looking for this. Now let's take all these towels and put them in the laundry room. Now I'm just gonna go through my makeup bin and throw away anything that I don't need. By the way, if you like this bag, I got it at Target for like $4 because it was on sale, and I think it's really cute.
It's not for me to say you love.
Next section is my bed. see you there. Okay, next is this area. So I bought this sewing machine and I don't know how to sew. That's all on that.
It's not for me to say you love.
Done. Now for this mess.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's for me to say.
I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning up my hoarding room, or my bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning up my bedroom because it was nasty and I shouldn't live like that. This video definitely gave me a reason to clean up my room. Also, my mom has been screaming at me to clean it, so thanks, Mom. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to leave a comment down below what you want to see because I'm just making random vids out here.
If you want something specific, then you gotta tell me.
Why am I acting so weird today? Oh my god, it's like the sleep deprivation is getting to me. Deprivation? Deprivation. No, the lack of sleep. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much and see you next vid. Bye! I forgot to tell you guys to like and subscribe, and that's it. Bye!
It's not for me to say you love.
I was trying a little something new with the intro there. I hope you guys thought that was funny because it's disgusting. I know, I'm sorry.